guys, Karen and Mark sharing our trip to Solina Beach Resort. Well, before everything else, I just wanted to share a little bit happened about us after our Boracay trip. We went home first and stayed for 2 nights there in the province because there was a fiesta in town that same day. And Mark wanted to experience how fiesta celebrated here. So, in the evening, we just drank and watched band together with my sisters and relatives in town. But the next morning, something happened to him that we didn't expect. He's feeling sick. But his sickness doesn't stop him to explore. So, here our trip to Solina Beach and Nature Resort.
Time stood still, just like a photograph. You made me feel like this will last forever. Looking in your eyes, I see my whole life. Oh, they say you know it when you know it, and I know. Promise that you'll hold me close, don't let me go. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bone.
Well, as you can see from the video, their rooms are a bit far from the entrance, but don't worry because they have one here and it serves as their service vehicle every time there's a tourist that needs to be transferred or sent in their respective rooms.
All this time I've wasted, you were right there all along. You and I stargazing, intertwined in souls. We were never strangers. You were right there all along. I lose my mind when I'm around you, how I come alive. When I'm without you, I can't help but feel so lost. I wanna give you all I've got. Whoa, they say you know it when you know it, and I know.
At ayun na nga, after almost 3 hours of trip from Iloilo to Carles, we just rested and it was just the right movie time for us. Since Mark was not feeling well until he fell asleep. So I decided to go out while he was resting because I could see the sunset through our glass door, so I go out to go for a walk on the beach.
Whoa, promise that you hold me close, don't let me go. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I've wasted, you were right there all along. You and I stargazing, intertwined in souls. We were never strangers. You were right there all along. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I've wasted, you were right there.
The next morning, I should probably say we had a good night, and good thing that he's a little better now compared yesterday. Well, yes, it's our second day here at Solina, but before we start our day, we had our breakfast at Anga restaurant where they serve their buffet, and it's just a walking distance from our room. Yeah, and the food was good to be honest.
And grabs you by the wrist. No, I don't have a good tone.
It's okay.
Directs you where to go. Mm.
Oh.
Yeah, it hurts my voice too.
A few moments later.
Good morning, guys. It's our day 3 here of stay, and it's our last day as well. Kumain lang kami ng breakfast, and then inantay lang yung checkout time namin. So you guys, if you are looking for a relaxing and private place to unwind with friends, family, or even your loved ones, well, I guess I should recommend this place for wedding venues, birthday, or even team buildings. Yeah, well, this place is suitable for you guys. And then I will put some details on how we get there at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy.
Strangers, you were right there all along. Take my heart, don't break it. Love me to my bones. All this time I've wasted